Hi guys, so welcome to another beautiful episode of Life with Olami. Alright, so this is majorly for Nigerians. This video is majorly made for Nigerians. Three things I'm going to do if I'm currently in Nigeria right now. I understand that the inflation is really crazy. I mean, things are really tough right now in Nigeria. I understand that. So, three things I'm going to do if I'm currently in Nigeria. Number one, I'm not going to keep 1 naira. No, I'm not going to keep any money in naira. I'm going to exchange all my money to our currency, to USD or euro. Right now, I'm not going to keep my money in bank with naira, because the more you leave your money there, the more the money gets down, the more the value reduce, the more you are losing the value. Like, so if you imagine you change 100,000 naira to USD last 3 months or last 4 months, by now that 100,000 is like 300,000 naira. Yes, so instead of keeping your money in any bank, please go and withdraw that money and change it to USD or euro or pounds. So just remove that money. Number two things I'm going to invest my money on, instead of keeping my money in the bank, I'm going to invest in buying gold right now. I'm going to buy gold. Yes, buy gold, either necklace, either the ons, right? So I'm going to invest my money in buying gold and silver. It is way better than keeping your money in naira. Even if your japa plan eventually works, right, you can take that gold outside Nigeria and sell it for times 10 of whatever you buy it in Nigeria. Yes. So, and the number last thing I'm going to do is, this is actually for business owners. In case you buy a product last year or last 3 months and you bought it 10,000 naira and you want to sell it for 13,000 naira just because just because market is not really moving fast and you want the product to leave your stock, I don't understand what you are doing. I really don't understand. So get the current price of that particular product and sell with the current. Don't be scared, you will sell that market. That is one thing that I'm sure of. You will sell it. See, when I was selling hair, there are some hair I bought 2008, right? I still have some of them till now. I'm not scared. Like, sooner or later I will sell them. So please don't be scared. And if you are selling real expensive products, or you are shipping in your product with, you are buying your product with USD, don't be scared to put your price in USD. Some people will say, are you in America? Why are you putting your price in USD? Why is it not naira? That's their business, my dear. As long as you are buying with USD, put your price in USD. Your own customer will come, your own buyer will come. That is the fact. So if they cannot pay you in USD, tell them the equivalent price of the current USD. Like, if your price is $200, right? It's $200, and they said, oh, they want to buy the current exchange rate, use it to give them in naira and let them know that that price is not fixed. Because if the dollar move from 1,500 naira tomorrow and it moved to 1,600, you are going to charge them with the 1,600 equivalent. So please, I hope these points are very useful for every business owners and every individual currently in Nigeria. Everybody is going through the tough time, trust me. Even people abroad, things are not smiling. So I wish you nothing but the best, and please don't forget to subscribe to Life with Olami on TikTok,